Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to your video in the CapCut apps. So I already have one video in my project here and I'm going to add the music. How to? So actually it's so super simple. Just click audio and select sounds. So you can get sound from CapCut. You can get sound or music from TikTok. You can get music from your files from library by extracted the video, and you can also get a song from CapCut available here. For example, just download the music that you want to add to your clip and just click add. So the music has been added to your project. That's it. You can adjust for the music, change for the volume, and you can add the pad in, pad out, and you can also split and remove and use it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm sorry if many noise in my video because it's rainy season.